Didier. You know, I know the way you dress, how you sleep in bed, even how loud your snores can be.
And?
But I just cannot remember whether you have ever been on a ship.
Of course I have.
Have you?
I told you before.
Did you?
You always forget everything I tell you. I almost forgot. We were moving to catch at Orchard. We better get dressed. Let's go.
Relax. Orchard is just 9 stations away via the Thomson East Coast Line. We even have time for a morning stroll. I just wanted to say that we are very lucky to be staying at Lentor Modern. Everything is just so convenient. It's just so smooth sailing.
How about this one?
Huh? Well, everything looks nice on you, but the dress you're wearing right now looks the nicest.
But I want to get this. Maybe 3 or 2 more?
3 or 2 more? Well, honey, I think I left my credit card in the office.
Is it because you didn't want to pay? Let's see.
No, not at all, not at all. You know, Marina Bay Station is just a few MRT stops away, so I'm going to get it in a jiffy.
Okay, see you then.
Love you.
There's magic in the air, and it feels so right. Yeah, yeah. So follow.
Baby, isn't it so convenient living at Lentor Modern? There's so many things to see and do, all within reach of the Thomson East Coast Line, right?
Well, since it's so convenient, does that mean we get to do more shopping?
I'll see about that. No, just kidding, you're my wife. I buy anything you want for you.
Lentor Modern is open for preview and sales booking. Get in touch with me now.